రెస్పెక్టెడ్ సిఎన్కే రెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీ చక్రవర్తి గారు, ఎన్విఎస్ఎస్ ప్రభాకర్జీ అండ్ జనరల్ సెక్రటరీ నందగోపాల్జీ, ఫ్రెండ్స్, members of the Linguistic Minorities Forum of Tamil Nadu, Mr. General Secretary Shabbir Ahmad Garu, and other office bearers, friends, everybody know 6th April Tamil Nadu State Assembly elections will held. 6th April for Bharatiya Janata Party, one of the auspicious day. 6th April is a party formation day. On that day, Tamil Nadu election is holding. Today, there is a situation. Some areas, NDA, Anna DMK, BJP, PMK edge in some areas. Some areas, DMK, some areas they are dominating. I am requesting all the linguistic minority people wholeheartedly, if you support NDA, Bharatiya Janata Party, definitely next government again will come to power in Tamil Nadu, because Bharatiya Janata Party, only party as a national party, will take all communities together, including Tamil, including Telugu, including Jain, including Kannada, including Malayalam, including Urdu, every people, because our national party, my prime responsibility is to take to everybody along with me. That is my responsibility. We are not a regional party. We are a national party. We should take every community, every personality, we take along with. In coming days, we will work for the overall development. We will implement welfare schemes. You know, recently we given a 10% reservation for those who are getting reservation category, those who are not getting reservation category. For that communities, we are given extra economically backward classes reservation. You know, everybody, because those who are not coming under reservation category, in that community also there is a lot of people, poor people. We want to extend our reservation facilities them. That's why one of the dynamic decision after 74 years under leadership of the Narendra Modi is taken for 10% reservation other community. And also in Tamil Nadu elections, there is a fight going on with two groups. One is the DMK, other side NDA. In people of Tamil Nadu, there is two issues. They want to support people's rule or family rule. They should decide. They want to people's rule, they want to family rule. Tamil Nadu people, they want to democratic government, they want to dynasty government. People should decide. They want to rowdyism or they want to land order. If DMK comes, family rule will come. DMK comes, dynasty will rule come. DMK comes, rowdyism will come. DMK comes, Gundaism will come. DMK comes, 2G scams will come. DMK comes, 3G rule will come. 3G means 3 generation rule. 3rd generation rule. Udayamaran rule kaakon. You want to 3 generation rule? You want to democratic government, people's government. I request everybody to support Bharatiya Janata Party, support NDA. You know, last 4 years, under leadership of the Panniru as a chief minister in COVID time also, effectively, under guidance of the Narendra Modi, under guidance of the central government, this chief minister will did lot of activity. This year, there is no drinking water shortage in Tamil Nadu. Every year in summer, you know, there is a drinking water problem. For this year, there is no water problem. There is no land order problem. There is no Gundaism. There is no rowdyism. You want to continue this government, or you want to bring rowdyism, Gundaism government? Tamil Nadu people should decide and vote for NDA. I will assure you, under guidance of the Narendra Modi, NDA government will fulfill your expectations. We will rule good governance. We will rule best governance. That's why coming elections, everybody should think and vote. Prime Minister also going to come in coming elections in favor of NDA, Bharatiya Janata Party. Home Minister also, Amit Shah ji, is going to come on 3rd in this elections last evening. 3rd elections last evening is a tremendous election campaign Bharatiya Janata Party is doing. On that election campaign, is going to participate in Chennai, state capital, road show. Amit Shah ji is coming. I am inviting all the people of Chennai to participate in that road show on 3rd evening, same time. And tomorrow, our national president is coming to Chennai. In Harbour constituency, he is going to participate in road show. That program also, I request everybody come with along with our friends, relations, sympathizers, our organization workers to participate. In Chennai, we are contesting 2 seats, Harbour and Thousand Lights. We are expecting their seats also. Friends, I will once again, I am requesting to everybody to support Bharatiya Janata Party, to extend your cooperation for NDA and Bharatiya Janata Party. And for this program, CMK Reddy Garu and Nandagopal ji, wholeheartedly, I once again, I am thankful for you also to short timing you participated here. Thank you very much.
They have some.
Samuel.